Oh, so she doesn't need the ventilator?
She's clearly extubated, so no, she doesn't need the ventilator.
Oh, well, I guess we better keep her ambu bag close then. Where is the ambu bag?
Oh, here you go, Nancy. Sorry about that. Okay, so anyway, back to my report. She has an 18 gauge peripheral IV in her left hand, infusing her last unit of PRBCs. There's about 30 minutes left of that infusion. She has an H&H due an hour later. I need one more post-op blood pressure on her. Okay, and the battery is low. I need to plug this in. Okay, here we go. Let's make some equipment for our Barbie hospital. This will be for an adult intensive care unit. And I will sum it up quickly. What you do is you find images of the equipment that you want to make. You size them, you print them, you cut them out, you cover them in contact paper, then glue them on a piece of foam or a piece of craft board. You'll hang it on your Barbie hospital wall, or you can put it on a stick. And that's the basic idea. But I'll show you more details. So you want to go ahead and get craft sticks or wooden sticks and paint them silver or white. I painted them silver. And I even made a little call light system here. So I just glued on a little piece of craft board and then used a plastic rope to attach them. Foam blocks are really helpful to use as heighteners or standers in our plastic world. All you need to do is get the craft stick and insert it right into the foam board. Okay, let's make ambu bags. Ambu bags are what give positive pressure ventilation to patients. So to make a Barbie ambu bag, you'll use a balloon. You can use regular size balloons or even water balloons will work. Blue and green colored ambu bags are the standard colors, but feel free to brighten your own Barbie hospital with pinks, with purples, with reds, any color that you'd like. Then you're going to blow just a small amount of air into the balloon. You're going to tie it, you're going to knot it securely, and then you're going to use the top of a pipette. And I have a lot of these around. These are very handy for making Barbie medical equipment. So you're going to use a top of a pipette. You cut it, and then also cut the very bottom tip, and you're going to glue that tip to the side. For the mask, we need a seal for the face, and so what I did is I used a baking sheet, and I actually put that in the fridge to get it nice and cold first, and then I used hot glue to form circles. Then after it dries, you trim it and attach it to the mask with just a few more drops of hot glue, and your ambu bag is ready to go. So we have 3 sizes. We have an adult size. We have a pediatric ambu bag for your pediatric Barbies, and then of course we have our little neonatal ambu bags for our baby Barbies. And that's it. So we made a ventilator to give mechanical breaths. We made a cardiac monitor. We made an intermittent compression device. We made 2 machines to monitor vital signs, which is just perfect because in real life, there will always be one of those machines that is malfunctioning. So it's good to have a second one on the side. And there's a lot more equipment in here that you didn't see me make. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of that, because there are already several videos I have on how to make this hospital bed, and this hospital bed is actually a labor and delivery bed, so it has stirrups and everything. I also have a video on how to make these IV pumps with the fluid bags, and even how to make IV needles in an IV start kit. Okay, happy dolling, and we'll see you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.